Last day in Rocky Mountain National Park, and it's time to expand our horizons. Our goal is to climb this imposing granite slab known as the Twin Owls. A little higher up, we find our guide Eric, who gives us the lowdown.
Hey, Eric,
What is it about these faces that make them so much fun to climb?
just the quality of rock. It's quite solid. There's really good crack systems that form that are really nice to climb on. And the rock is super textured, which allows our hands and feet to grip to the rock.
This is it, a 300-foot multi-pitch climb, which means several sections. The first is short, but the second and third will be more challenging.
It's not gonna be easy. There's gonna be tons of exposure.
I know myself. I don't like exposure.
Exposure means you're climbing on a rock above steep terrain where a fall could be catastrophic. So we'll need to put our trust in Eric and the skills we've learned on previous climbs.
Can't climb like this.
Yeah, we better get geared up.
First pitch is short and quick. Eric goes first to set the anchors and ropes. Then, I'm up.
Jack and Colin, belays on. Climbing ready.
You ready?
I'm ready. Climbing!
Climb on.
The first 20 feet are looking pretty fun. There's all these handholds, obvious footholds, and the rock, it's this nice grippy granite.
We go. Yeah.
Maybe wearing shorts was not the best idea.
Colton decided to wear shorts, rock climbing on extremely coarse rock. Not the brightest move in the world.
I can hear you down there.
What?
Did you make it?
Oh, yeah. Climb on, Jack.
Here we go.
You got this, Jack.
Pop my head up.
Nice.
All right, excellent.
Woo. Well done. 20 feet down.
Yeah.
280 to go.
Next up is the traverse across the rock face, with the killer exposure that Eric warned us about.
Climb on.
As I continue my way across the side of the rock, the handholds and the footholds that were so great and obvious on pitch number 1, I'm not seeing them. And the moment I come around that corner, I see the exposure that Eric has been telling us about.
What's it like up there?
There's definitely a lot of exposure. Oh, yeah.
And this little walkway starts to get smaller and smaller.
The hands are they're not that great. Just stand on your feet. Yeah, just like that.
Eventually, I find a tiny little point to put my foot on. And I find what seems to be an even smaller point to put my hand on. And I start my moves.
There it is. Yeah.
Woo, man. Oh, yeah, that's that exposure you were talking about.
Yeah, totally.
Got the heart rate going a little bit.
So it's really getting windy. You can just see the trees are just going like that.
Yeah, climb on! Climbing!
The path is gone. All you've got are a few cracks to put your hands and a few little divots to put your feet.
Your handholds aren't really that good. You really kind of have to go back to just completely trusting your feet.
This drop-off is at least now 200 to 250 feet. It is way far down to the ground.
And as I'm trying to figure out my next move, the wind starts to blow even harder.
Oh, you got a gust. Woo! Yeah, that wind is blowing right now. There you go, nice.
Woo! That blew my mind. Wow, I was not expecting that. It's one little bit. It's all right.
Yeah.
That was much more intense than I thought.
Yeah, it definitely was. Yeah, look at you got the Ravens just circling us. I don't think they thought we were gonna make it.
In fact, we haven't made it yet. The final pitch awaits with 150 feet to go, and once again, tons of exposure.
We're literally hanging by this anchor right here, just trusting it. Look at this, no hands. We've got a couple hundred feet behind us.
Oh boy! Of course the wind picks up as we make our final climb. Here we go.
Good luck, man. Final push.
The wall is definitely vertical, and the more and more I climb, the more exposure I see.
Oh boy.
but this is just fun. I can see some great holds, and I just hit my groove.
That was nice. Okay. Woo! All right.
I get to the top, and now I'm just waiting on Jack.
Bravo! Climbing! So I start going up, and it's a fun climb.
I'm absolutely loving this coarse granite. Your shoes stick like nothing. It gives you the confidence that you can go up something that seems like it might be a little tough. Yeah, it's a long ways down.
Near the top, I'm almost 9,000 feet above sea level. There's very little to block the wind, and I'm feeling it.
Nice, you're almost there, man.
Woo!
Nice.
All right! Yeah!
This was an awesome day of climbing, and this was a perfect pitch to end on. The view up here is just incredible.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave any questions or comments that you have.
And please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to come.